Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, you're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2007 Hot Wheels. I think this is a pretty cool card design on this. You can see this is what the packages used to look like in 2007. Got the Arachnorod today. This is like a Street Beast car. Street Beast 2 series, I believe it's what it's called. Number 3 of 4 of that series. Got this at my collectible store. Had this in the packaging myself for maybe like 6 months or so. And time to get it open. Here's some more cards that you can get. It has a 2006 copyright. Made in China, Malaysia, or Thailand as marked. But as you can see on the bottom, that says made in Thailand. This casting first came out in 2000 in like this red color with PR5s. And you can see this glue is actually coming off at the bottom. K7, what does it say? K7582 is the number. In this metal flake color. Time to get this open. Oh, popped right off. That came out way easier than I expected. And look, it even came with this little protector. That's a nice clean open. I like that. I'm liking that. Didn't drop it too bad. You can see that nice clean open right there. I'm loving that. That came off so easily, so perfectly. Kind of refreshing to see that I still have potential opening these vehicles. 2007 Arachnorod. Those cards out of the way, sorry. Kind of stalling here. Those are OH5 rims, and that back one spun this spun forever, actually. So it's an Arachnorod. It's a spider car, basically. I'm actually afraid of spiders myself. I have something called arachnophobia. Everyone knows what that is, right? I mean, I absolutely hate spiders, but this is a cool car, actually. It looks better out of the packaging. White interior. I got that big chrome spider on top. The spider is plastic. The gray that you're looking at is the Diecast part of this 2007 Arachnorod. Look at that. Wow, you can see that. Pretty cool casting right there. Open hole 5 spokes. They don't make those wheels too often anymore. Great spinning rear wheels on this 2008 Hot Wheels. Let's give these two a spin. Front wheels are very loose. The rear wheels spin A-OK. Check the back. Look at those turbo engines. Transparent. Cool casting. Not the best looking casting. Never really cared for the Street Beast cars, but pretty cool to get one out of the packaging that's been in there since 2007. That's 14 years, almost as old as I am. But this is 2000 casting, made in Thailand with a black plastic base. This will make a great addition to my collection. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.